Now, see the problem. The balance sheet of Shekhar and Sridhar as on 31st March 2012 is said below. They share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2012. Liabilities, asset, capital account, Shekhar Sridhar. General reserve 48,000, creditors 32,000, building 40,000, furniture 20,000, stock 24,000, debtor 80,000, cash 36,000, profit and loss account 20,000. The profit and loss is given in asset side. Then it is to be debited to partners capital account. It is to be debited to partners capital account and distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. That is 3:2. Means 20,000 upon 5. Right? See the adjustment. They agreed to admit Murlidhar as a partner into firm on the following terms. He should bring 24,000 as a capital. He should bring 24,000 as a capital. So what is the general entry? Cash account debit to Murlidhar account. And the amount is 24,000, 24,000. And 18,000 as a goodwill. So what is the general entry? Cash account debit to goodwill account, which is retained in the business. He will entitle to 1/4 share in future profit. If the new partner being share of future profit, then old ratio, that is 3:1, is treated as sacrifice ratio. Next, 50% general reserve remain as reserve for doubtful debts. Next, furniture depreciated by 5%. Stock revalued 30,000. Here is the value of stock 24,000. Here 30,000 means increase the value of stock by 36,000. 24,000 and here is 30,000 means increase the value of stock by 6,000. Creditors 2,000 are not likely to claim, hence should be written off. We are not liable to pay the creditors, so it is to be written off. It is our profit. Rent of rupees 1,000 due but not received. Due but not received, it is our asset, and 1,000 rent of rupees 1,000 due but not received, it is our income. It has not been recorded in the books. Next. Now we are going to solve the problem. First, see the adjustment. Third adjustment, furniture depreciated by 5%. What is the value of furniture? That is 20,000. 2. Furniture. Depreciation is our loss, so it is to be depreciated to furniture. And furniture is 20,000. 10% of 20,000, 2,000, and 5% 1,000. Half amount of 2,000. Next, creditors 2,000 are not likely to claim, hence to be written off. And fourth adjustment is stock to be revalued 30,000, hence it is to be credited by stock. And the amount is 30,000 minus 24,000. And the value is 6,000. Right? Then next, creditors 2,000 are not likely to claim, hence should be written off. So it should be written off. It is our profit by creditors. By creditors, amount is 2,000. And adjustment of rent 1,000 due but not received, it has not been recorded in the book, so here is by rent. Due but not received. Due but not paid, it is to be debited, but due but not received is to be credited. Due but not received. See the debit side and credit side. Credit side is more, that is a profit, 6 2 8 and plus 1 9. Here is also 9,000. So both side total is 9,000 and the balance is 8,000. 9,000 minus 1,000. Here is 9,000 minus 1,000, balance is 8,000. So it is to be credited to partners capital account, to partners capital account. It is a profit on revaluation. Who is our partner? Shekhar and Sridhar. Shekhar, and next partner is Sridhar. Shekhar and Sridhar, and the amount is 8,000 upon 5, that is 1,600 into 3. 16 3s are 48 and 16 2s are 32, and the outer is 8,000. So both side total is 9,000 and 9,000. Now we are preparing for partners capital account. So it is by balance brought down. And what is the amount of balance? 80,000, 60,000. Next, by general reserve. By general reserve, only 50% is to be distributed. 50%. Why it is to be distributed on 50%? Because 50% general reserve remain as reserve for doubtful debts. 50% general reserve is remain as reserve for doubtful debts. Means 50% of 48,000 is to be distributed. 50% of 48,000 is to be distributed, and 50% is less from the debtors as a RDD. So 50% of 48,000, that is 24,000, and 24,000 upon 5. 5 for the 20, and 5 8 the 40. 4,800. 4,800 into 3. 0 0 4 2 3 4 the 14,400. 14,400 and 4,800 into 2. 4,800 into 2, that is 9,600. Half amount of general reserve is to be distributed and half is to be less from RDD, because 50% general reserve is remain as a RDD. By next, by revaluation account. By revaluation, what is the profit of revaluation? Is to be getting 4,800 and 3,200. It is to be credited to partners capital account, credit side. Next, by goodwill. How much amount of goodwill with getting by the new partner? He should bring 24,000 as a capital and 18,000 as a goodwill. So 18,000 upon 5. 5 3 are 15, 3 5 6 are 30. 3,600 into 3. 3,600 into 3. 0 0 3 6 are 8, 3 3 are 9, 10,800 and 3,600 into 2, 7,200. Next, goodwill account is to be debited to Shekhar capital account, 10,800 and to Sridhar capital account, 7,200, and goodwill account credited by cash. Goodwill bring entry, cash account debit to goodwill So goodwill is created by cash 18,000, by cash 18,000, and total is making 18,000. Here is also 18,000, 18,000, 18,000 total, and here is also total 18,000 and 18,000. Next, cash account is to be debited by to goodwill. First we brought down the balance, to balance brought down. What is the cash balance? Cash balance is 36,000. See, here is cash balance is 36,000, 36,000. Then next, to goodwill account, to goodwill account 18,000. And how much amount bring by the Muralidhar? He should bring 24,000 as a capital, so it is to be debited to Muralidhar, to Muralidhar capital account, and the amount is 24,000. So make the goodwill, make the total, sorry, Muralidhar cash account debit to Muralidhar account, and Muralidhar account is created by cash account, and the amount is 24,000. So here is, make the total of cash first by balance, carried down 0, 0, 0. 6 plus 8, 14, 8, 1, 5, 7, 7,000, 78,000. Total 78,000, 78,000. Now make the total of cash. See, here is profit and loss is given in balance sheet asset side, 20,000. So it is to be distributed in partners capital account debit side. If it is given at liabilities side, it is to be credited to partners capital account, and if it is given at asset side, it is to be debited to partners capital account. It is our loss to P&L account. It is also profit and loss account. 20,000 upon 5, that is 4,000. 4,000 into 3, 12,000, and 4,000 into 2, 8,000. Make the total. Make the total. Zero, zero, 0, 8, 8, 22, 4, 4, 8, 10, 0, 1,10,000, 1,10,000, 10 and plus 1, 11, 1,11,000, 10,000. Here it's 69, 72, 72 plus 7, 79, and plus this, that is 1,000. 69 plus 3, 72, 72 plus 7, 79, 79 and 4, 10, 80, and 24,000. Next, 2 balance, carried down 1,10,000 minus 12,000, that is 98,000. 80,000 minus 8,000, that is 72,000, and 24,000 as it is, because here is no any balance. 1,10,000 minus 12,000, 98,000. 80,000 minus 8,000, 72,000. 24,000 getting as it is. So make the total. 1,10,000, 80,000, and next 24,000. Total Here is total. Now we are preparing for balance sheet. Our balance is 92, 98, 72, 24. So getting as capital. Shekhar, Sridhar, and next Murlidhar. 98,000, 72,000 and 24,000. Make the total outer 0, 0, 0, 4, 1, 9, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 19, 1,94,000. Next, creditors 30,000, 32,000, sorry. What is the adjustment of creditors? Creditors 2,000 are not likely to claim, hence should be written off. Creditors 2,000 are not likely to claim, hence should be written off. So it should be less written off. Less written off. OFF. 2,000. 32,000 minus 2,000, that is 30,000. Next. Now we are going to balance sheet side. Balance sheet asset side. See. Building. There is no any adjustment with building. So it is getting as it is. Building 40,000. The next, furniture. What is the adjustment about the furniture? Third adjustment is given. Furniture is depreciated by 5%. And what is the value of furniture? Value of furniture, that is 20,000. It is to be depreciated by 5%. Furniture 20,000 less depreciation 1,000. Outer is 19,000. 5% at the rate 5%. Next, stock. Fourth adjustment about the stock. Stock is revalued 30,000. So it is getting 30,000 revalued value. Next, creditors 2,000 adjustment is already done. Next, debtors. Debtors is getting 80,000. 80,000. What is the adjustment about the debtors? 50% general reserve is remain as doubtful debts. What for 50% of 48,000, that is 24,000. So less RDD 24,000. 24,000 is less from RDD and 24,000 is to be distributed among the partners. This is the new adjustment. See, here is only 50% amount of general reserve is to be distributed and 50%, 24 here, 14 and 9,624, and here is 24. 50% amount is distributed among general reserve and 50% amount is less from the RDD, that is 56,000. Next, cash. Value of cash and balance is cash. Our previous balance 36,000, goodwill is bring 18,000, Murlidhar capital 24,000. So the total is 78,000. 78,000. Then next, rent outstanding. It is income outstanding. Last adjustment, sixth adjustment. Rent of 1,000 due but not received. It has not been recorded in the books. 1,000. Outstanding income is our asset and outstanding expense is our liability. So make the total 0, 0, 0, 4, 2, 1, sorry 9 3 12 12 1 2,24,000 total here, total the total 0 0 0 15 plus 8 23 23 plus 124 4 2 5 8 13 20 22 2,24,000. And new adjustment is 50% general reserve is creating as a RDD. So only two effects is to made. Partners capital account is distributed 50% general reserve, and partners capital and balance sheet asset side less RDD by 24,000. There is no effect with 50% general reserve is creating with the RDD in the revaluation account. Only it is affected partners capital account and balance sheet asset side.